There. So this is the one of the most famous hiking trails in Turkey, right?
Yes, actually the most.
The most famous. We will do just one part of the trail. We will go from Başlayıp or something like that, yeah, to Kod, where?
Kabak.
To Kabak. That's about 20 kilometers. All right, Lycian way. Let's begin the trip. See you. Shit. Been hiking like till now a couple of 100 meters and already full of sweat. Whew. What do you think? Shall we search for a place where to put up the tent?
Not yet.
Or you want to hike?
I want to hike.
Our car is back there. How do we get back to our car?
The useful information is that at every checkpoint we have a taxi station.
So we will have a taxi there. Or...
Yes.
Whew. That's our leaf.
With the stars.
Ladies and gentlemen. Whew. So far it's been quite challenging, but we have been rewarded with mesmerizing views. Wow, look at that. Looks like Rio de Janeiro.
No signal here.
What, no signal?
We cannot call. I cannot call anyone.
What do you want to call?
Huh?
What do you want to call? Order a pizza or what?
Sister.
We have hiked a couple of 100 meters starting 6 p.m.
1.5 hours.
Something like that. And now, while we still have some light, let's put the tent.
You are having some what?
This is Michelin star salmon, wild camping style.
Cool.
Yeah, but you know, it tastes so good. It's like when you have munchies. Morning. Woke up here. Look at this. So in case you're wondering how the view looks like from my hotel room, let's check this out. Nice. So we packed our bags, packed our tents back, and now we're heading to the next stop, which will be a restaurant, a mountain inn, where we will probably have our lunch. Look at this. Let's go check this out.
Private area.
What? Beehives here up in the mountains. Everywhere. You think we could buy the honey somewhere here from the farmer? Shit. Right, I don't want. So I think one bit me. Oh, yeah. One bit me. Shit. Crap. Is that a bee or what? Shit. Fuck. I was bitten by the fucking thing right there in the head. There. Oh, fuck. Ooh. Ooh. Shit.
You got stung of a bee. No, nothing to see.
Here.
No.
Is there some
No, no.
You know, some people are allergic,
Yeah, that's.
and
You need to know if you are or not.
well, let's see whether I am or not. This place is where we should be able to buy something, but it looks like it's abandoned. So let's go to further to Tralibe, and from here like 2 kilometers we will have the restaurant, I hope, the Mountain Inn. All right, this plant looks like it's made out of plastic. You know the name of it?
Sure.
So by the way, this is called the Lycian way, and the Lycian, because the Lycian people walked here, or
Yes, let's
okay,
check a little bit encyclopedia information when we stop.
come on, you're the guide, you should know. Search in your brains.
All the guides do read something.
Yeah, but they why the Lycian way? What do they do here? Like
Yes.
live
that's what I say.
along the coastline, or what were they famous for, Lycian
Lycian.
people?
I don't want to explain something, narrate something, but I have in mind that they have found they were the first people who used money or a currency for trading.
Okay. So there you have, not the Jews.
Not the Jews.
We see a nice coffee house. Let's have a chai, a Turkish
Yay.
chai.
Merhaba.
What's the name of this? We're having the breakfast here, and this is the
Gözleme.
Güzdeme.
Gözleme.
Can you say that?
Gözleme.
Gözleme. That's what is it? What is it made of? I see this cheese.
We have different types, either with cheese, white cheese,
Well,
or potato or spinach. They didn't use spinach, some other herbs, but mixed with white cheese. Very delicious.
it tastes great. Perfect. And this is fresh orange juice.
We have picked lemon coffee. Yes.
Lemon coffee.
Mhm.
That's the name of it.
Yep. So this is honey from this region.
These are from the bastards who bit me, who stung me, sorry.
This is the honey from last season. He said the honey from this season is not ready yet. It will be ready first after 1.5 months. Mostly pine honey, maybe 10 to 20% flowers.
All right, let's check. That's the mountain honey, yeah.
Yeah.
From those suckers who stung me. It's very good. It's very good honey. What I like about this honey is usually you take 1 spoon of honey already, it's too sweet, and this is one. This is like you take one, it's just the right amount of sweetness, I would say. All right, they have everything here: honey, fresh orange juice, and that's what again?
Gözleme.
Gözleme. Just tastes bad. Finally, we have found a market down the road. Gül pension, also in pension. And the most important stuff is here. Efes. The Turkish beer #1. You found something for you? Milk? No?
Milk. Frozen milk. Let's go.
All right. Let's go and buy this stuff. Hello. Just the beer. And ice cream for him. Can I pay with card?
Yep.
And from here to Kabak, that's the final destination of this route. It's about 4 kilometers, so in 40 minutes approximately we're there, we're down the beach. we're making videos of drone shots. That's right.
Yes, of the drone.
We're in the jungle. Whew. We're in the jungle of this trip. Here, look at this. Last kilometers. Whew. What's your impression of this road? Of this trail?
Well, that part where we needed the GPS was not very pleasant.
So you would say it's badly marked?
In one region, yes.
Hear that?
Thank you.
Right, let's check this restaurant. Yeah, looks definitely like Thailand. Alright, we're hungry after and tired after the trip. So let's go and eat now. We find this place good. This looks like a nice spot. Yeah, look at the nice views. What do you say, tourist and company? Isn't it? And there you see from here you have nice bungalows which you can rent out. All right, I'm here at what is known as the Butterfly Valley, in Turkish Kelebekler Vadisi. During the right season this valley is full of butterflies. Right now we're not at the season, but anyway, the views are stunning here. Look at the ships there and the boats. Sadly, the only way how you can get down there is by boat. You take a boat from Ölüdeniz or by a ship. I'm not sure how that works. Probably you just go to Ölüdeniz and there are many agencies who offer you these services. Oh, wow, this looks like from the movie Beach, if you tell me. Nice. And how blue and clear the water is. Amazing, stunning. Definitely check this out when you're visiting this area here in Turkey. Cool. All right, let's see how this looks like from a drone shot. So far it's been a blast. Amazing hiking travel experience here in the southern part of Turkey, starting from Ölüdeniz. Check that city out definitely. All in all, it's been an amazing trip. Great hike. I definitely recommend it. And here you can have all kinds of activities: paragliding, beach vacation, whatever you wish. You can even visit here this gorgeous mountain and have the nice view here you see in the background, Mount Babadag. All right, thanks for watching. If you like these kind of videos, hit that subscribe button down below, and bye.